What I'm gonna do, if you hear in the background, she's watching Masha and Bear, so that's what that music is. I got is the Wella Color Charm, and this is in 9A, and this is, you can see the blue. If it has a blue line, that means it falls in like the cool ashy toned section. So if you are trying to take that red, orange, yellow, those type of colors out of your hair and you want more of an ashier feel, definitely make sure it has the blue line. Again, this is permanent. You can do demi-permanent too. I just chose to do permanent because why not? The reason I got 9A, even though I'm very dark, they say that, so if you like have a messed up balayage highlight situation, what you should do is you should always look at whatever piece of your highlight is the lightest and then go a shade lighter from that, because it's not really going to darken anything. It's not really going to affect any of the dark pieces. It's really just going to affect the lightest pieces. So it's going to turn the lightest shade from orange to ash. So that's why they say it won't hurt to go lighter, and that's why I kind of went with the 9A. And I'm just going to use a 20 developer just because that's what they say to use. It says do a 1:2 ratio. So I'm going to, I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't need a whole bunch of product. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon, oh, I gotta open it, right, of the actual Wella hair dye. And if I need more of this, I can always make more too. I'd rather not, I'd rather have to make more than throw it away because I might feel wasteful. And I'm just gonna mix that up. And then 2 more of the developer. Since I don't have a ton of hair and I kind of don't have a ton of time, I'm just gonna do half up, half down because I'm literally putting it all over the place. All right, so it says you can develop for 30 to 45 minutes, so I'll probably do the full 30 to really just knock this red and orange out because I hate it on myself. It just doesn't look good on me, and that's okay. Some people looks awesome on, just I ain't one of those people. Here's the thing, I am nowhere near, I gotta tell you, this stuff burns your eyes more than bleach, to be honest. I am nowhere near a professional hair person, obviously, so judge away, but this is how I'm fixing my brassy ass orange hair. Okay. I have that all over my hair. There was really nothing to it. You guys probably didn't want to watch that. So what I got was T14 for the Wella toner and the T10, which is pale blonde. It's in, they're both in the ashy blue silvery selection area. And then I also got 050, which is the cooling violet toner. I'm gonna add just a little, like a few drops, and this is just has the violet undertones. All right, so I'm about to rinse this out. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to do 1 part, and then 4 parts because it's 2-to-1 ratio, so 2 for 1. I feel like I'm in Breaking Bad right now, mixing up all this shit, and the smell makes me feel like this is probably similar to what it would smell like in a meth lab. I don't know, but I feel good about it. All right, so we're all mixed up. I am going to shampoo my hair. I just grabbed this because I felt like it was necessary. The Ion Weightless Purple Shampoo. I'm going to shampoo my hair, and then while it's wet, I'm going to put the toner on, but I'll show you when I'm done shampooing. All right, so I just washed it out. Looking in the mirror, I could tell a ton of the red came out. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like once I blow dry it. So right now, I'm just going to tone it because I can see a little bit of that red where it was like pretty fluent. Now the toner, I definitely recommend you keeping an eye on it because it can tone other people's hair way quicker than others. I know if your hair is more damaged, it will take quicker. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna give you a definite time that I'm keeping it in, but I'll let you know once I wash it out how long I left it in for. And I'm not putting this at my root because my root seems to be okay and ashy. I'm literally just putting it on any of where the highlighted areas are that were super duper red. So here we go. And the reason I did it down here in my kitchen as well is because I get the best natural sunlight, and that's where I can see most of the red and the orange and the coppers and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I look super crazy, so I just washed all that out. They say not to shampoo for that, just rinse it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little hair mask. I'm gonna do the KERASTASE Discipline. I love this one for when my hair is feeling pretty dried out. I do this probably once a week, and I always do it when I'm done dyeing my hair. I'm gonna let that sit for like 15 minutes, but then once I rinse that out, I'm gonna use the KERASTASE, and this is the Keratin Discipline, I don't know, it's like a seal. You put it in when your hair is wet, and then when you blow dry it, it keeps your hair just nice and keeps it from breaking and keeps the heat from damaging it. And I really, really like it because, again, I have fine, thin hair, so I just gotta take really good care of it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be back and show you the final result, and hopefully I won't be looking so homeless, so I will be back. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of my hair. I'm so happy with it. If I would have left the toner on just a little bit longer, I probably wouldn't have a little bit of warmness left in my hair, which I did want to keep some warmness in my hair because it is like fall, winter time, and not only that, it gives it a little bit more depth, and in the natural sun you can just see so much more flow of the hair as opposed to it being so flat and just kind of one color. So I'm really happy with it. I'm going to take you guys outside and show you more in the natural sunlight because I feel like these lights kind of, you know, can dim out like all the little prettiness that's in it. But I also I had a big chunk of red over here, and it really just canceled that out, and it gave me a little bit of gold tones, ashy tones, and then I also have a little bit of the caramel tones as well. And then of course my hair mask made my hair so soft, which I'm so happy about it. So if you have been struggling with like dry hair, or you just kind of like really did a number on your hair trying to get the perfect shade or anything like that, I definitely recommend that KERASTASE mask. It's a little bit expensive, but it does work, I promise you. And not to mention, you don't have to do it once a week like me, obviously. But so here it is. I hope this helps you guys. I know when I was looking to fix my orangey red brassy hair, I was having so much trouble because obviously everyone's hair is so different. I couldn't find exactly what would work. Like there was no, I think I was expecting it to be like, do this, 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 and this. But I felt like the more I dug deep, the harder it was to figure out what to do with my hair to make it better. So this is what worked for me. So let me know what you guys think. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.